Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Okay, today we continue our lesson on chapter 1. Okay, today we will learn about classification of plants. Okay, plants are classified into two groups. There are non-flowering and flowering plants. Okay, non-flowering. Okay, this is can be classified into two: non-flowering plants and flowering plants. Okay, non-flowering plants can be classified into three groups. There are moths. Okay, what is moths? Okay, reproduce by producing spores. These moths, okay, are non-vascular. Okay, what is non-vascular? A plant and simple and small plants without a vascular system. That means this moss group did not has what we call xylem and phloem. Okay, because it's very simple. Okay, simple and small plants. Okay, so they do not need vascular system. Okay, and then number 2 is fern. Okay, fern, paku-paki siapa semua tu dalam ni lah. Okay, fern. Okay, reproduce by producing spores. Okay, same like moss. Okay, but different is they has vascular. Okay, they have vascular. That means vascular system within them that transport water and food through the plants. This plant also have true roots, stem and leaf. Okay. This one does not have has true roots, stem and leaf. Okay, this one has roots, stems and leaf. And also dia ada sistem dia lah, ada xylem, ada phloem untuk angkut dia. Okay, untuk angkut air dan juga photosynthesis product. Okay, last one is conifer. Okay, conifer reproduce by bearing cones. Okay, it's also vascular. Okay, that means it has roots, stems and leaf. Okay. Okay, example of conifer you can find at our school. Okay, near our dewan yang utama tu. Okay, kamu tengok dia ada bentuk macam nampak tak pasal tak ada macam cone tu yang keras tu. That one we call cones. Okay, okay, flowering plants. Okay, flowering plants produce flowers which become fruits that contains seeds. Okay, each seed has a cotyledon which is store food that is used by seed to germinate. Okay, cotyledon used by seed to germinate. Okay, we have two types of flowering plants, or flowering plants can be classified into two groups. Okay, monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Okay, what is monocotyledon? Monocotyledon, that means it has only one cotyledon. Okay, while dicotyledon consists of two cotyledon. Okay, example here we have maize. Okay, maize, paddy plants. Okay, yang ini semua flowering plants. Okay, but for monocotyledon, example paddy plants and then maize. Okay, okay, and then for dicotyledon, example what we call mango. Cuba nampak ni apa? Groundnut. This is groundnut. Okay, when you eat, you open this, you can find two dekat dia punya seed tu, kamu nampak tak dia macam bertakuk kan? Bila buka dia ada dua kan? So this is we call dicotyledon because it has two cotyledon. Okay, okay, how about the roots? Root for monocotyledons is fibrous roots, while for dicotyledon is tap roots. Okay, fibrous root kamu nampak, cuba cabut pokok rumput, kamu akan nampak dia serabut, akak dia tu tak ada akak tunjang yang panjang tu. Okay, that one we call is fibrous roots. Okay, and for dicotyledon we call it has tap roots. Okay, for leaf. Okay, leaf for monocotyledon, leaf with parallel veins. This is parallel veins. Okay, kamu tengok rumput, look at grass. Okay, it has parallel veins, and also same to coconut tree, okay, parallel veins. Okay, while dicotyledon, it has we call network like veins. Okay, nampak tak ini, dia ada urat-urat ni. Okay, veins. Okay, so we call it as network like veins. Okay, this is tap roots, this is fibrous roots. Okay, for stem, okay, most have non-woody stem. Okay, tak berkayu, non-woody. Okay, and then for dicotyledon, woody stem. Look at what we call a mango tree, durian tree. Okay, it's woody stem. Okay, example I said just now, paddy and maize plants. Okay, this one tomato, durian tree. Okay, example. And so and we have many others. Okay, okay, now we go to constructing a dichotomous key. Okay, what is dichotomous key? Okay, dichotomous key is a method that used by biologists. Okay, biologists maksudnya ahli biologi lah. Okay, to identify and classify organisms systematically based on similarities and differences. Okay. Okay, how it's construct? It's construct of a series of couplets. Okay, that means couplets 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, each couplet consists of 2 statements describing characteristic of a particular organism or group of organism. Okay, this we have 2 statements. One couplet has 2 statements. Okay, we start with, this is an example of classification of animals. Okay, we start from big characteristic. Okay, poikilothermic and homothermic. Okay, 2 statement, and then another statement, another couplet, scaly skin, non-scaly skin. Okay, so poikilothermic, go to number 2. Okay, dia punya karakteristik dia scaly skin. Go to number 4, another couplet with 2 statement. Okay, number 4, if A does not have fins, we know it's snake and has fins, pomfret. Okay, ikan bawal. Okay, homothermic, go to number 3. Okay, so number 3, non-feather lion and feathered chicken. Okay, we use their characteristic. Okay, and same goes to characteristic of plants. Okay, dichotomous key for plants. Okay, we have maize, Marchantia species, fern, Genetum species, and sunflower. Okay, we find first the biggest characteristic. Okay, so we can classify non-flowering plants to flowering plants. If the picture put all the flowering plants, we cannot use this characteristic. Okay, we choose characteristic that has different characteristic. Okay, we start with non-flowering plants and flowering plants. Okay, flowering plants, go to number 2. We have non-vascular, non-flowering plants can be classified into 2 groups. Okay, non-vascular and vascular. So go to number 2. If non-vascular is Marchantia species. Okay, if vascular, we have other example. Okay, go to number 4. Okay, does not produce seed, fern, produce seed, Genetum species. Okay, for flowering plant, go to number 3. We have 2 types, monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Or if monocotyledon, maize plant, dicotyledon, sunflower plants. If in the picture we have another one. Okay, it's okay. That's all. Okay, for this example. Okay, you can try your own to build this dichotomous key.